Hi viewers, I am Jitendra. Today in this video I am discussing brief about the verb and its types. So before that, welcome to my channel Study. What is verb? Let's understand. Verb is a word or combination of words that indicates action or state of being or condition. It tells us about what the subject performs in the sentence. For examples, play, read, come, go, give, join, dance, swim, laugh, clean, stand, sit, eat, are, was, were, do, have, has, can, may, will. भर कहले कौन बुझ ना भर होची गोटे शब्द जे कि कार्य को बुझाए कर्ता जो काम करे ताहाको आमे भर कहि थाउ याको मध्य एक्शन वर्ड कुआ जाए उदाहरण स्वरूप प्ले खेलिबा रीड पढ़िबा कम आसिबा गो जिबा गिव देबा नाचिबा पहरिबा हसिबा एगुड़ी होची वर्बर उदाहरण लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड with some examples. For examples, she dances, Madhu is reading, the baby drinks milk, she has a storybook, I am Haris, Albert works, the boy is playing, Anna is a good girl. So here in first sentence she dance. So what the subject perform? Here the subject perform dance. So dance is verb. Madhu is reading. What is Madhu doing? So Madhu is reading. Here reading is performed by Madhu. So reading is a verb. The baby drinks milk. The work performed by baby is drink. So drink is verb. She has a storybook. Here has is a verb because he show the state of the book. I am Haris. Here am show the state of the subject. So I belongs to Haris. I am Haris. The boy is playing. Here both is and playing is verb. Anna is a good girl. So here is show the state of beings. Here is help us to know Anna is a girl. ए सेंटेंस गुड़ी करे dances, drinks, reading, works, playing हेउची गोटे गोटे कार्य बा एई शब्द गुड़ी को कार्य को बुझाउथिबारु ए गुड़ी को आमे कहिबा कोन ना verb एवं एठारे is, am, has ए गुड़ी को गोटे गोटे verb ए गुड़ी को वाक्य को ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରିଥାନ୍ତି। ଏମାନଙ୍କୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ସାହାଯ୍ୟକାରୀ କ୍ରିୟା କୁହାଯାଏ। ଏହା ଫଳରେ ଆମେ କ'ଣ କରୁଛେ ନା ତା ବିଷୟରେ ଅଧିକ ତଥ୍ୟ ଜାଣିପାରୁଛେ। verb is two types, main verb and auxiliary verb. So let's discuss about main verb and auxiliary verb. So first we discuss about main verb. Main verb. Main verb is indicate what the subject or noun of sentence performs. In other words, we can say it tells us about some action of subject. It is also known as action verb. So main verb कहले कौन बुझ ना main verb साधारणतः कार्य को बुझाउଥାଏ, केवल कार्य को बुझाउଥାଏ। एठारे सब्जेक्ट कौन काम कला सब्जेक्ट करुथिबा काम को बुझाए। सब्जेक्ट जो कामटा करे ताको हमें मेन वर्ब कहिथाउ। एक मध्य कार्यकारी क्रिया कुआ जाय एक्शन वर्ब। For example, play, read, come, go, give, join, dance, swim, laugh, clean, stand, etc. एगुड़ी हूँ गोटे गोटे मेन वर्ब रो उदाहरण। For example, I go to school. He comes to school. The cow eats grass. I drink cold drinks. Our class teacher teaches us English. She sang a song. Abba ate rice. So here, go, comes, eat, drink, teaches, sang, ate are some action words. This action performed by subject. Okay, so these are action words and this is performed by subject. That's why these are called main verb. So एठारे go, come, eat, drinks, teaches, sang, ate एगुड़ी गोटे गोटे कार्यकारी क्रिया। तेणु यह को आमे मेन वर्ब कहिता मुख्य क्रिया कहिता। There are two kinds of main verb. First one transitive verb, second one intransitive verb. So verb रो प्रकार भेद transitive verb and intransitive verb. First we discuss about transitive verb. So what do you mean by transitive verb? Action that have direct object to receive that action. In other words, we can say the verb require an object to complete its sense is called transitive verb. जो verb कौन से एक ऑब्जेक्ट को दरकार करी थाए ताको हमें ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब कहिबा। सेंटेंस रो पूर्ण अर्थ प्रकाश पाया पई जदि कोनोसी क्रिया अन्य एक ऑब्जेक्ट को दरकार करी थाए तबे हमें ताको कहिबा ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब। फॉर एग्जांपल, प्लीज ब्रिंग कॉफी। In the sentence, the verb bring is transitive. In the sentence, bring is transitive. So why bring is transitive? Because its object is coffee. The object of bring is coffee. The things that is being brought. So here, bring needed a object to complete its sentence. That's why bring is transitive verbs. Without an object of some kind, this verb cannot be function. For example, please bring. So here, Here bring what or who? What did he bring? So here bring require an object to complete its sentence. So in that case we can say bring is transitive verb. I again repeat, the action word that have direct object to receive that action. In other words, we can say the verb require an object to complete its sense is called transitive verb. ଯେଉଁ verb वाक्य को पूर्ण अर्थ रे प्रकाश करिया पई कोनोसी ऑब्जेक्ट को दरकार करिथाए तेबे आमे से वर्ब को आमे ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब कहिबा। एठारे प्लीज ब्रिंग कहले मन रे एक प्रश्न आसुछि कोन से आनिला, तो एठारे अर्थ प्रकाश पाउ नाही, संपूर्ण अर्थ प्रकाश पाउ नाही। तेणु करी एई वर्बटी कौन करुछि ना एक अर्थ प्रकाश पाइबा पई गोटे ऑब्जेक्ट को दरकार करूछ। तेणु करी आमे या को कहिबा ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब। Rihan drinks milk. The man loved their children. The doctor cured him. Rohan kicked the ball. So here Rohan drinks what? What is the object? Milk. Rohan drinks the milk. Here drinks is transitive because it requires a object, that is milk, to complete its sentence. The man loved their children. Here love is transitive because it requires an object, that is their children, to complete its sentence. The doctor cured him. Here cured is transitive verb because it requires an object, him, to complete its sense. Rohan kicked the ball. Here kick is transitive because it required an object to complete its sense, the ball. तो एठारे रिहान ड्रिंक्स मिल्क, तो रिहान क्षीर पिउछ। मु जदि खाली कहबी रिहान पिउछ तो यार कौन से अर्थ प्रकाश पाइला नाही। रिहान कौन पिउछ मन रे एक प्रश्न आसला, रिहान कौन पिउछ, पानी, क्षीर ना अन्य किछि। तो एई सब केस रे तो ड्रिंक्स कौन कला ना गोटे ऑब्जेक्ट को नीड करा, दरकार कला सेंटेंस रो मीनिंग प्रकाश करिया पे। तो एठारे ड्रिंक्स, लव, क्योर्ड एंड किक्ड होची ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब रो उदाहरण। Intransitive verb. An intransitive verb is opposite of transitive verb. It does not require an object to act upon. So, intransitive verb होची transitive verb रो opposite. यह कौनसी ऑब्जेक्ट दरकार करे नाही। वाक्य कंप्लीट करिया पई, वाक्य रो मीनिंग प्रकाश करिया पई कौनसी ऑब्जेक्ट दरकार करे नाही। फॉर एग्जांपल, they jumped, the dog ran, she smiled, light was shining, she is sleeping, we fell. So here jumped, ran, smiled, shining, sleeping, fell are the example of intransitive verb. Here in this verb does not require an object to complete because it already completed. Auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verbs. So what is auxiliary verbs? The definition of auxiliary verbs are given below. Auxiliary verbs tells us about the state of beings tense of the sentence and modify the action of subject. It helps the main verbs, so it is also known as helping verbs. For example, is, am, are, was, were, do, have, has, can, may, will, used to, ought. So auxiliary verb कहले कौन बुझ ना auxiliary verb कौन ना कौन करे ना एक अवस्था को बुझाए एवं एई वाक्यटी केउं टेंस रे अछि ताको हमको जणै थाए कौन यह मेन वर्ब को मध्य साहाय्य करिथाए याकू साहाय्यकारी क्रिया कुआ जाए कौन यह कौन करे ना मेन वर्ब को कार्यकारी क्रिया को साहाय्य करिथाए तेणु करिया को साहाय्यकारी क्रिया बा हेल्पिंग वर्ब कुआ जाए उदाहरण स्वरूप इज आम आर वाज वेयर डू हैव हैज कैन मे विल यूज टू ought. Let's understand with some examples. I am Haris. She has a storybook. The boy is playing. Anna is a good girl. She can name all US president. You should go home and lie down. When it is your time, you must go. I may be late for the meeting. So here, am, has, is, can, should, must, may are the example of helping verb. Here, it shows and tells us about the state of beings. I am Haris. So here, am so that I belongs to Haris. That's so state of beings. She has a storybook. The boy is playing. Here in the sentence, the boy is playing. Is helping verb and playing is main verb. Here is helps the main verb playing to modify the sentence. Anna is a good girl. Here it shows the state of girls. Anna is a good girl. So Anna is a good girl. Here it says Anna is good girl. Similarly, can, should, must, may are the example of helping verbs. Auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs are of two types, primary auxiliary and modal auxiliary. Let's discuss brief about these two types of auxiliary verbs. First, we discuss about primary auxiliaries. So what is primary auxiliaries? These verbs always help to main verbs and tells about the action and the tense of the sentence. प्राइमरी ऑक्सिलरी कहले कौन बुझ ना प्राइमरी ऑक्सिलरी कौन हुए ना सदा सर्वदा मेन वर्ब को हेल्प करिथाए एवं एई सेंटेंस टी को टेंस रे अछि हमको जणाई थाए एई सेंटेंस टी वर्तमान काल किंबा अतीत काल कि भविष्यत काल रे अछि हमको जणाई थाए do verb do has do did does be verb be has is am are was were have verb have has had उदाहरण स्वरूप do verb रे रहिछि do did does be verb रे रहिछि is am are was were have verb रे रहिछि have has had এই ভর্ব গুড়িক আমকু বাক্যরে সাহায্য করিথাନ୍ତି এবং এই ভর্ব দ্বারা আমি জানি পারু এয়া কোউ টেন্স রে रही वर्तमान काल बा भविष्यत काल किंबा अतीत काल रही आम यही ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब माध्यम जानी पारिबा। लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड विथ सम सेंटेंस एग्जांपल्स। I am Haris. She has a storybook. The boy is playing. I did not do this. I have a red car. He was a good player. They were my friends. We are students. So in first sentence, I am Haris. So here am helps to show I belongs to Haris because I equal to Haris. That means here I is Haris. So here am helps to show that I equal to Haris. In second example, she has a storybook. Here has is helping verb. Here has helps. The storybook belongs to she. And the boy is playing. Here there are two verbs. One is helping verbs, another is main verbs. Is helping verbs that helps to the main verbs, and playing is main verbs. The boy is playing. Here is show that the boy perform playing. So here is show the state of the boy, that is boy is playing. Similarly, did, have, was, were are some example of auxiliary verbs. And see sentence number 6. He was a good player. Here was is the past form of am and is. So here was show the tense. In which tense? It is in past tense. So auxiliary verbs always show the tense of the sentence. Similarly, they are were. Were is the past form of are. So here were show the tense of the sentence. एठारे was were कौन करुची ना काल विषय रे तथ्य प्रदान करुची। Modal verbs. The definition of modal verbs. A modal verb is a type of auxiliary verb that is used to indicate modality, and that is likelihood, ability, permission and possibility. Modal verb होची auxiliary verb रा गोटे पार्ट. Modal verb कौन indicate करे ना ability, permission और possibility. Modal verb ability, परमिशन एवं पॉसिबिलिटी उपरे तथ्य प्रदान करिथाय। फॉर एग्जांपल्स कैन, कुड, विल, वुड, शैल, शुड, मे, माइट, मस्ट एगुडी होची गोटे गोटे उदाहरण। So can, could, may, might are modal verbs. Can is used to express the ability and permission and probability. For example, I can speak Spanish. Can I go to the bathroom? It can be marked he is in London. So could is the past tense of can. It also used to express the ability, past permission, probability, request. He could swim when he was 6 years old. He could go to the theater. It could get much hotter in July. I could lend you my notebook. May. May is used to express hope, wish, pray, permission, probability. For example, it may snow tomorrow. May I come in? Might. Might is the past form of may. It used to probability. For example, it might rain today. Must. Must is used in prohibition probability. For example, you must not speak loudly here. It is quite dark. It must be after 8 o'clock. Should. Should is used for advice. For example, you should not smoke. It is unhealthy. Will. Will is used to express prediction and spontaneous decision. For example, I think he will study harder this time. It is very hot today. I will open the windows. So can केउठी व्यवहार करिबा can कोठी ability अर्थरे permission अर्थरे एवं probability अर्थरे ability होची दक्षता permission मागिबा अर्थरे आमे can यूज करिबा एवं probability तो I can speak Spanish मु कहि पारे मु स्पेनिश कहि पारे एटा मोर ability उपरे बुझौछ मु कहि पारे मो दक्षता को बुझौछ हां मु कहि पारिबी Can I go to bathroom? Permission मागिला बेले आमे can यूज करिबा can कोठु यूज करिबा ना permission बेले जते बेले आमे आम सहकर्मी किंबा आमटु सान पिलांगटु permission मागु जते बे आमे can यूज करिबा Can I go to bathroom? Probability it cannot be Mark he is in London probability माने हमको ठीक तथ्य जणा नहीं आमे अनुमान करके कहिबा इट कैन बी मार्क ये ही पारे ही इज लंडन यह लंडन ही पारे से परि कुड होची कैन रो पास्ट फॉर्म यह भी एबिलिटी अर्थ रे परमिशन अर्थ रे प्रोबेबिलिटी अर्थ रे एवं रिक्वेस्ट अर्थ रे व्यवहार करा जाय ही कुड स्विम व्हेन ही वाज 6 इयर ओल्ड ताकू जेतबे 6 वर्ष होइतिला से स्विम करि पारु थिला ही कुड गो टू द थिएटर से थिएटर जाई पारु थिला इट कुड गेट मच हॉटर इन जुलाई रे कोन हुए हॉट थिला माने गरम थिला आई कुड लेंड यू माय नोटबुक मु तुमको देई पारिबी मे केउंठी यूज करिवो यूज होबो ना प्रोबेबिलिटी और परमिशन अर्थ रे जेतले आमे अन्य जण को परमिशन मागिबा आमे मे यूज करिबा एवं प्रोबेबिलिटी अर्थ रे ना कोनसी काम आमे ठीक से जानिन हबो किंबा न हबो से अर्थ रे आमे मे यूज करा इट मे स्नो टुमारो आसंदा काली स्नो पड़ी पारे और न पड़ी पारे आमे भले रे ए विषय रे जानिनो किंतु मे भी पड़ी पारे एवं परमिशन अर्थ रे मे आई कम इन मु भीतर को आसी पारे कि जदि आमे आम एल्डर मानकठू आम गुरुजन मानकठू किछि परमिशन नबा तेबे आमे मे यूज करिबा माइट होची मे रो पास्ट फॉर्म इट माइट रेन टुडे आज वर्षा हबार संभावना अछि किंतु हेई पारे न हेई पारे मु सियोर न कि वर्षा हबो किंतु हेई पारे सेतेबेला आमे माइट यूज करिबा मस्ट मीन्स प्रोहिबिशन कोन ना सतर्क यू मस्ट नॉट स्पीक लाउडली हियर एठारे अधिक जोरे पार्टी करिबा मना बारण करिबा बा प्रोहिबिशन बारण करिबा केस रे हमें कोन मस्ट यूज करिबा यू मस्ट नॉट स्पीक लाउडली हियर एठारे तुम अधिक जोरे पार्टी करि परिबो नाही प्रोबेबिलिटी हेई पारे न हेई पारे इट्स क्वाइट डार्क इट मस्ट बी आफ्टर 8 o'clock ये अंधार देखा होची ये बोधे 8टा बाजी थिबो शुड कोड यूज करिबा ना एडवाइस केस रे यू शुड नॉट स्मोक इट इज अनहेल्दी आमे स्मोक करिबा उचित नुह काहेकि ना यह आम शरीर पक्षे क्षतिकारक अटे विल विल कोड यूज करबा ना प्रेडिक्शन आई थिंक ही विल स्टडी हार्डर दिस टाइम कौन ना सपोज तुमर परीक्षा अच्छी तुम्हें भलरे पढ़ी ना तो मु तुमको प्रेडिक्शन देली सतर्क करदेली तुम्हें एबेटू भलरे पढ़ जहाँफल तुम्हें भल मार्क रखिपार इट इज वेरी हॉट टुडे आई विल ओपन द विंडो स्पॉन्टेनियस डिसीजन हठात जदि डिसीजन नबा आमे विल व्यवहार करबा ए गरम होउची जल्दी झरका खोली दियो जिते बड़े हठात डिसीजन नबा आमे विल व्यवहार करबा या थिला कैन कुड मे माइट मस्ट शुड विल रो सविशेष तथ्य must is used for obligation order and advice she must be mad से कौन पागल हो जाई पारे you must be joking तमे बोधे joking करूच there must be some mistake सेठी कौन सी mistake हेइछि Mr. Robertson is here Mr. Robertson एठार अछंती it must be Tuesday ये बोधे आज बोधे मंगलवार needs to and it is used responsible and duty she needs to go to settle next week do you need to get up early tomorrow I need to spend more time with my children because I have been so busy lately we need to focus on getting new business this month so in this sentence we use need for responsible and duty so she needs to go settle next week so it is a responsible that is you need to settle do you need to get up early tomorrow here need to is used for responsible you this is your responsible to get up early tomorrow I need to spend more time to my children because I have been so busy lately it is your duty because you don't have time to spend with your children so you need to spend more time with your children we need to focus on getting new business this month so this is our responsible okay we need to focus on getting new business have to we use have to for impersonal obligation and forced to act for example in France you have to drive on right in England most school children have to wear a uniforms John has to wear a tie at work एठारे कौन ना have to कोड यूज करिवो ना कोनोसी एक रूल हेतिबो फ्रांस रे डाहाण पाखरे ड्राइव करबा उचित सो एठारे have to यूज कराला इन इंग्लैंड मोस्ट स्कूल चिल्ड्रन हैव टू वेयर यूनिफॉर्म इंग्लैंड रो पिला माने सब पिला माने कोन ना यूनिफॉर्म पिंधिया को बाध्य जोटा फोर्स टू एक्ट जो कामटा बाध्यतामूलक करबा को पड़े जॉन हैज टू वेयर ए टाई एट वर्क जॉन कौन करे ना बाध्य से टाई पिंधिया को से काम को गले टाई पिंधिया को बाध्य सो हैव टू यूज फॉर फोर्स टू एक्ट दिस इज द होल इंफॉर्मेशन about must need and have to I think this video is very helpful to you so don't forget to subscribe my channel like comment share thank you for watching my video and touch the subscribe button and subscribe this video. Thank you.